Hi, this is Wuxi Tony Update 521. We're at our Spring Festival Chinese New Year dinner for our school/company. There's the fancy hall we're in. I should do pan very slowly. Now, where's Tony? Well, he's up here. He wants to be on the drums. Tony, say hello. Tony, say hello. Say hello, Tony. He wants to be part of the show. He's playing with the microphone. Tony, say hello. There he goes. Oh my God, he's going to do the Motorhead thing. Spades, the ace, the spades. Anyway, that's it. So you gotta remember, I gotta keep these videos short. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching. January 30th, 2010.